All right, welcome back to the channel. So how to make money with affiliate marketing without a website. That's what I'm going to be answering in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and type in Gamma App Review. Gamma App is a presentation AI creator, kind of like a Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. It uses AI to quickly create presentations for you. When you type this in, for the longest time, my video, I was the first to the scene, and the only reason why some of these people are outranking is that they've made newer videos. But Gamma App, about over a year ago, I found this keyword. I found that it had 1 million people going to the website each month already, but there wasn't any content about it. So I went ahead and created a review video, and you can see right over here, we are ranked number 4 still. Here's my video on one of my other channels called LearnWire. This is a software review channel, and you can see that I put Gamma App Review. For about a year, I was ranked number 1, and I was able to get almost 40,000 views, free views on my video. Now, the way that this works is that I'm actually going to reverse engineer and show you this isn't even the normal way that I do things, but it still works. I'm using YouTube. I'm getting free traffic. Look at that, 40,000 views to one video, laser targeted about somebody that is possibly wanting to buy this app right here. I'll show you my affiliate commissions that I've made, but I want you to know that when this video came out, there was no affiliate program on the site. We can take a look at Gamma App, right? And we can go and actually look at SimilarWeb. I'm going to copy this in because I'm only able to use the extension a limited amount of times. Let me log into my SimilarWeb account and show you how powerful this is. So I'm going to type that in right here. We're going to go select this, and then it's going to tell us that this app just completely blew up and took off. At the time that I made my video a year ago, it was only at around 1 million views, and that's still awesome, right? If you have a software as a service app and you're getting 1 million views per month, you're golden. You already made it big time. You probably will never have to search for another job again. You've made it huge, right? That's so much traffic that you're going to have customers. Your app is going to be making a lot of money, even with just 1 million visitors per month. Now this Gamma app just completely blew up, and it's got almost 30 times what it had a year ago. It's at almost 30 million traffic per month. And why is that important? Like I said, I noticed this app, it had 1 million visitors to the site per month. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm going to go and make a video on this. I didn't even think about, it doesn't look like they have an affiliate program. It's definitely not advertised. And I'm going to show you, you want to stick with me here because you're going to learn a lot more about affiliate marketing from somebody that's made over $600,000 in affiliate commissions doing these exact strategies. You're going to learn a lot more from me, a wannabe guru on YouTube teaching methods that just don't work. And they're not in the trenches, not doing this in real time. I'm showing you only what works and what's worked for me. You can scroll down here, even right now, October 8th, 2025, you can come down here. There's no partner button, no affiliate right here. See, there's nothing that advertises an affiliate program, but the story gets really good. I'm going to show you the $1,000. I brought in over $3,000 in revenue for them, 209 clicks, 50 people signed up, and I made $903. They actually did pay me via PayPal. I completely forgot that they approved me for a private affiliate program. It's by invite only. Gamma App invited me to the program because I had already got results. I already ranked my video. I was already getting a ton of traffic to them, and I probably made them a ton more money, right? It would have absolutely, I believe it would have been $10,000 to $15,000 because at least the first 6 months, the first 20,000 views on my video, I wasn't even an affiliate. So we click on the video and you look at the affiliate link that I have right here. I was not even an affiliate for at least 20,000 of the views. And so you have to look at that and be like, okay, I would have made at least twice as much. I didn't have an affiliate link for a very long time. They actually reached out to me on email and said, hey, would you like to be a part of our affiliate program? And it's by invite only. So I signed up, I got my affiliate link, and I threw it in here. It was one of the most successful videos on my channel. I still made a lot of money from this. I could actually go and log in just to show you. We can go copy this. I can go and sign into my LearnWire account real quick, guys, just to show you. We'll go into Studio. I want to show you how much money you make from this stuff. So we come over here and we go into content I filter this by that particular video. Then we go to analytics. You can see that this video brought in almost 300 subscribers, right? And it made $545 and it's still getting views right now. Look at this. Right now, it's still getting external. When we go into external, that means that all this traffic's coming from good old Google. 50% of the views came from Google, 33% more came from YouTube. So 83% came from search, from a search engine, YouTube search engine and Google search engine. Very, very important, very laser targeted, very valuable video because my average watch time is 4 minutes. That is really, really good. So you make money from affiliate marketing. You make money from putting out a video. You make money from the YouTube affiliate or partner program, right? And guess what? This whole thing right here, we don't even have a website. We simply find applications. I probably found this, I believe, on like Futurepedia a long time ago. And I went over here, like AI tools real quick. We'll go click on AI tools. And it would have been like maybe presentations. So we click on presentations over here and then we start looking at this Gamma app. I found this a long time ago and it looked promising, has a lot of bookmarks and everything. And so I went and visited it at the time. This is a great site, by the way, if you want to get started in the software review space. You can come in here and they already curate everything for you. All you have to do is come in here and pick, and then you even have users coming in here and telling you. They tell you if they like the app based on bookmarks. The reviews, I kind of ignore. I really go based off of the bookmarks, the amount of bookmarks that people are saving. It means that there's already popularity. You don't need tools and everything. You just need this free curated site that will tell you what you should start creating content on. Technically speaking, you could just come in here and dominate the AI presentation tool space and just go one by one and make a review video on all these. Instead of spending so much time on keyword research, just take action. In 30 days, one video a day, spend 1 hour a day. In 30 days, you could have all 30 of these done and dominate this entire space right here. Then you could just move on to another category, right? So you don't need a website. Hopefully this all makes sense to you now. So we went over to YouTube, right? And we type in Gamma app review. Right now I'm ranked #1 right there. Just for fun, let's go and take a look. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go into a incognito window real quick. I'm going to type this in on Google just to see what ends up happening. Are we ranked on Google somewhere? Come down here. We are not ranked right there. For sure we were, because I just showed you that we had thousands and thousands. 50% of our views came from YouTube. We are ranked here, but these other videos that have been published, Google is giving a lot more. Even this 2 weeks right over here, they won't hold up forever, right? And chances are, because I have so much authority on the topic, if I come out with another updated video, I'll probably go straight to the top. Now we can type in YouTube real quick. We type in Gamma app review. And we're on an incognito window. We are ranked currently 5, 6, 7. We got 40,000 views right here. People click on this and then go to this link right here. They go over to the app. They sign up for a free trial. Some of them purchased and ended up purchasing. And then I got an affiliate commission. I can show you that right here. There's almost $1,000 we made. Remember, I didn't put my affiliate link in there until the last 10,000 views or something like that. So we easily made over $1,500 with the YouTube ad revenue and the affiliate commissions from 1 hour of work, one YouTube video. And don't forget the 300 new subscribers we got to our channel that watched more of our content. You don't need a website to be successful with affiliate marketing. Click the link below in my description. Come check out the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. I've been running this program, this school community for 2 years now. This October is 2 years. I have members that have been with me for 2 years getting results. You can see some of the results at the top of the page. $700 from Gary. He just joined within the last month. And he's already getting $700 in commissions in September, sharing all of the different affiliate commissions. You can come over here, go to Quick Wins, and see all the other members that are making money and getting results inside the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. The normal price is $97, and that's no joke. It literally is a $97 program per month. But only right now, it's $17 a month. You get grandfathered in. So, tomorrow, if I change the price, if you come in today right now for $17, and then tomorrow I up the price to $97, you keep your $17 until as long as you want to be a member of the program. So hopefully you will be our next member. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.